Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends. Welcome back to Electro Pixels. In today's video, we're going to repair this 32-inch LG Smart LED TV that came in with the problem. Sound okay, but no picture, and the screen only shows vertical lines. As we've discussed before, these kinds of issues are usually caused by internal gate signal shorting inside the panel, or because important panel voltages like VGH or VGL are missing from the gate COF. If the panel uses COG, chip-on-glass, technology, it's not reparable. But if it has Side COF, then we have a good chance to fix it. This TV uses a PT320AT01-XC HD Ready panel, so let's start by checking all the basic panel voltages using our flux multimeter. And friends, all the tools we use in our videos are tagged below. Check them out if you need them for your repair work. While checking the voltages, we found that all basic panel voltages are present and stable. That's a good sign. Since the voltages are stable and the panel has Side COF, we can move forward with the repair. Now let's open the panel frame. And here it is. This panel indeed comes with Side COF, which means repair is possible. Next, we need to identify the COF IC model and find its datasheet. The COF model number is AST21811AA212A. We located the datasheet, and it is shown in this video for reference. Based on the datasheet, we'll check the voltage test points. After carefully scraping the protective coating using a blade, we measured the voltages. We found that VGL is present, but VGH is missing. That means the display is not receiving the required VGH high voltage, which is why the screen only shows vertical lines. So now we'll fix it by bypassing the VGH voltage from the panel scalar board to the VGH test point on the COF. Using soldering flux, a microtip soldering iron, and a copper jumper wire, we made a clean jumper connection. Alright, the jumper is done. Let's power on the TV and check the result. And look at that, the picture is back. The TV is now working perfectly. This type of repair is actually a permanent solution, not a temporary one. Now let's reassemble everything. We secured the jumper wire using double-sided tape to ensure safety and stability. Before closing the back cover, let's test the picture once again. Perfect. The display is clear and the TV has been successfully repaired. So that's it for today's repair. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.